what did you hear? And you obviously live like really close to the club Pulse. So what happened last night? Can you tell me what you heard or saw?
Sure. So I live right across the street here, and I got woken up around maybe 4:35 in the morning by a very large explosion. Wasn't sure what it was. I found out later that they used that to breach the wall. It was maybe about 10 minutes later. I heard tons of gunshots and screaming. It was just like chaos. I was hiding in my hallway, didn't know what was going on. And then just been following the news ever since. Didn't sleep at all last night. Pretty tired right now. And it's crazy. I just found out it's one of the biggest mass shootings in American history. So
Unbelievable. It's not anything like that you would see around here, is it?
not what you would expect. You expect minor crime, this and that, but nothing like this. It's pretty scary.